In this lesson, we will quickly learn how to open, create, and save drawing files in AutoCAD. These functions are similar in any Windows software, such as Microsoft Office. Meaning you should already be familiar, but it is worth looking at some details. Let's go to Class. Commands for creating, opening and saving files are found in the Application menu, accessed by the AutoCAD icon. Look at the menu, and also in the Quick Access toolbar. Let's start with the Open command found in the Quick Access toolbar. The files of this class are available for download. When we click on the Open command, a window appears. Note: after locating and selecting the file to open, we click on Open. We then select the file, hold Sheet Metal and click Open. Another way to open files is through the Recent Documents area. Here are being viewed the last worked files. In this case, as I had already worked on some files, in your AutoCAD should show another list. Here I will select the drawing file table. In your AutoCAD you will see newly opened files as you use them. The design of the table is also available for download in this class. Note that we have two open files, the table drawing and the hold sheet metal drawing. By clicking on the tabs, we can navigate between the two open drawings. You can have multiple drawings open at the same time. To create a new drawing file is simple, we use the command New. Note that the Select Template box opens. This box allows you to select the default file, which will be the basis of our new drawing. The default file is nothing more than all AutoCAD definitions, such as unit of measurement, quoting patterns and texts, drawing formats, among many others. We can create our own pattern and we will do it throughout the course. For now, we select the AutoCAD ISO and click Open. See that a new empty drawing file has been created in a new tab. Now let's go to the commands for saving files. To save the files there are two commands, Save and Save As. When we first save a file, we can use both options. Let's save our file with the Save command. In the Quick Access toolbar, we trigger Save. See that when you click on this command, a dialog box opens. Here we select the location where the file will be saved, set the name of the file and finally save by clicking Save. If the command used here was Save As, the procedure would be the same. Let's now look at what happens when we save a file when a change has been made. By triggering the Save command, the changes will be saved in the same file, without having to specify the file name and location. If you use the Save As option, you can specify a new name and location to save the file with the relevant changes. That is, from one drawing you can create a new one with another name, and then work on both separately. Having several files open, it is possible to copy parts from one to the other drawing. In some cases this is useful and even usual. So it's important to know how to work on these windows. Note that here we see one file at a time, but it is possible to view all the open drawings. To do this operation we go to the View menu, and in the interface, we see these three icons, which divides the screen into horizontal, vertical and cascading. Let's click on Vertical, and note that all tabs, open drawings, are arranged in columns. So we can visualize all the drawings. Note that these windows can be resized and moved as needed. The horizontal option organizes the drawings in lines, which depending on the amount of drawings in your monitor may even be interesting. And the cascade option, shows your drawings arranged on top of each other. This is useful if you have many open drawings. You can select the best way if you need to work on two or more different designs at the same time. If you want to go back to normal, that is to see one drawing at a time, just maximize one of the drawings, usually the one you want to use. It is also possible to unglue the tabs to better organize the drawings. Observe. The functions to create new files, open and save are also available by right-clicking on the tab with the file name. In this lesson, we learn how to create, open, and save AutoCAD drawing files, as well as resources to manipulate the viewing of open files. Train commands to remember easily when you're working.